Hi, welcome back to Malamic Art, and my name is Mikki, and today I have an unboxing. I sent away for a bunch of stuff at Jerry's Artorama, and I got the box here. So that is why I have things moved around on my desk today. So here we go. I'm going to just go ahead and dive in. I kind of know what's in here, but I think there's a couple things that I forgot about, so... Here we go. Here's my slip. And this is how they package it, with this really firm pillows. And I'm going to take a layer off. Oh. So, they give you a little wine voucher in every order that you make. I'm not a big wine drinker, so anybody wants it, let me know. So this is what I got, a bunch of these Soho watercolors, and I got a bunch. And they're all different colors. And the reason why I did this is because they're on sale for $1.49 each, and they have an excellent color ratio. The only problem that I've had with them is that they reduce a lot in their pan when you put them in a pan, and they start cracking and crumbling. So let's see here. Here's all my reds. But I wanted to give them a chance anyway because I like their consistency. They're good. They re-wet well after they dry. Okay, so there's a good amount in here. And let's see what else I got. Ooh, a whole heck of a lot more. Okay, so there are those. I got some gum arabic from Da Vinci. Gum arabic or Arabic, however you say it, because this will help me with those paints. And let's see. Oh, I got a slant palette that's porcelain. Or, oh, this one's ceramic, but it's much better than the one I have, because the one I have, I found out it was plastic. So if you can tell the difference, this one's already, a lot of the paint has taken on a lot of the dye of the paint, and when you put paint on the surface, it beads up and pulls right up into a little tiny puddle. And normally when you work with porcelains or ceramics, they don't do that as much. They'll pull out and you can see what happens to your paint. So I kind of really wanted that. So I think I will be getting rid of this or giving it away. Let me know. And we start using this instead, which I'm really happy about. That's really why I wanted it. So that's exciting. I wanted to try this paper they had on sale with a nice thick amount. And it's Vision by Strathmore watercolor. That's it. That's all that's in there. So I'm going to put this down. And this paper is 140 pounds, 300 grams per square meter, and it's 9 by 12. And there's the cover. I think this is a test sheet. Anyway, so here's the pages. They're all bound up at the top, which is nice. So I wanted to try this out. They feel good. But let's see. I don't see any other. I don't know if it's cotton. I think it's cellulose. But we'll see what happens. So there I have it. Here's my haul that I got today, and I'm excited to try all these out. I got more than enough because I wanted to try the colors and have an assortment on hand and see what I like best, etc. So this and this and this, and there you have it. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing, and I'll see you again in another one soon. So as you see, I couldn't stop playing, and I ended up going ahead and putting these all in this palette and adding honey and some glycerin, and on the ones that were more stubborn, I put in some gum arabic as well, mixed with water. Some of these paints are really hard in the tube, so it's really hard to get them going. But I think this is really good for any beginner to buy a whole bunch of tubes and sort of mess around with them. You know, there's other colors that you can make from single pigments. Single pigments, you'll see there's just one pigment in there, versus like, here's a oxide of chromium has a PG17 as the pigment. And this is permanent sap green, and this has PG36, PY17, and PY43. So there's 3 different pigments in this. And the kind of rule is don't go over 3 pigments. So I've been kind of playing around with my extra bins here. I have some spaces that I can fill up. And I mixed phthalo blue, or thiocyanide blue, and oxide of chromium, and I got this color, and cerulean lemon yellow, I got this color, and quinacridone red and ultramarine blue, I got this color that's separated from each other. So it's all a learning experience. So go get yourself a bunch of tubes, some cheap ones, you know, and just mess around with combinations, and it just helps you learn the colors and how they react. And unfortunately, you don't have all of the paint brands to figure that out, but this is a start, and it's fun. So thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.